Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and today's recipe sharing is applesauce buns. Since this is autumn, you can make these applesauce buns two ways, as is, as the vlog will show you, or you can sprinkle with cinnamon, nutmeg, or apple pie seasoning, and or pumpkin pie spice, and it can be truly autumn themed. So again, this is applesauce buns, but this is autumn. You can make it as is as the vlog, or you can sprinkle with pumpkin spice or nutmeg, cinnamon powder, or apple pie spices. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. The dry ingredients: this is 2 cups of flour with 1/4 cup of sugar and 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder. And yes, you heard right, 1.5 tablespoon baking powder. We're just gonna mix it. While over here I have wet ingredients, which is 1 cup of buttermilk that I made myself. You can make it by mixing 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a bowl and fill up until 1 cup of milk. So this is about 114 gram of unsalted butter that we're gonna microwave until melted. So into the buttermilk I cracked an egg and added in 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and we're gonna add in our melted butter as well, and then we're just gonna mix this until completely combined. So now you have your wet ingredients and dry ingredients, and we're gonna combine wet ingredients into dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix it until just combine. Again, mix it until just combine. Now once it's combined, just drop batter onto prepared muffin cups like so, and then onto each center we're just gonna want to press it a little, and then we're gonna drop or pour or drop or spoon unsweetened applesauce, just like so. Now we're gonna bake these applesauce buns on preheated 375 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Take out from the oven, brush the top with honey, melted honey, and then we're gonna sprinkle it with some almond, and repeat steps.